It all started with an idea and a click on Bambu Lab's website. Meet the printer that's changing the game, the Bambu Lab A1. Unboxing perfection. From the moment you open the box, you know you're in for something extraordinary. Every detail speaks quality and innovation. Once set up, the magic begins. With cutting-edge technology, unmatched speed, and stunning detail, the A1 takes your ideas from imagination to reality. From functional tools to artistic masterpieces, the possibilities are endless. Watch as each creation comes to life, layer by layer. Every print is a testament to precision and passion. With the Bambu Lab A1, creativity knows no bounds. Ready to bring your ideas to life? Let the Bambu Lab A1 be your ultimate creative partner. Start your journey today. Or if you have an idea you'd love to bring to life, let's make it happen. Contact us today, and we'll transform your vision into a custom 3D masterpiece tailored to your needs. Your imagination, our expertise.